Hi, this is Dan from Pool & Spa, and today we're going to talk about how to fix an airlock in your spa. What an airlock is, you drain the whole tub out, and then you take your garden hose, you put it back in the hot tub, and you fill it up. And what happens is as the tub fills up really rapidly, a lot of times water will get into the holes of all the jets, but sometimes it won't. And sometimes you could end up with 1, 2, 3, maybe 6 feet of jets underneath where the piping is that are full of air. So what happens is you go ahead and you try to turn on your pad and nothing happens. The reason why it happens is because you have an airlock and that's keeping the system from running. So what you have to do is first locate your control panel and your pump. So we're going to go ahead and take this panel off and show you what's going on inside the tub. So after you remove your hot tub equipment hatch, make sure that the next thing that you do is go over to your circuit breaker box and turn off the circuit breaker panel that attaches the hot tub to your home electric. Somewhere in here, and every hot tub configuration is a little bit different, you have pipe, kind of like this pipe or possibly this pipe, that is full of air. Basically 2 kinds of connections and 2 kinds of heaters, 2 different ways you can solve the situation. The easiest one is one like this, where you have these type of connectors. These type of connectors can be just removed by using a regular pair of pliers. And all you have to do is simply push down on this and loosen it, and this piece will come off and actually drain water out. So what you'll normally hear if you've got the right pipe is you'll hear like a hissing, like a tss, and then you'll see water start to dribble out, and then you'll have water to your heater. Now most hot tubs have this kind of heater. So you're going to want to go to either end of the heater, which is connected with different types of pipe. And again, just crack the nut open. You don't need to go crazy with it. And again, you'll know it because you'll crack this open and you'll hear a psh, and then you'll see some water that starts to come out of it. Once that's done, you tighten it up again, and then you will have water running through your whole system. Another place that you could possibly have to do this is at a quick disconnect valve. You can find these near your pump. Again, every hot tub is plumbed a little bit differently. Same kind of concept as this. It would have a pipe attached here and here, and then you would just crack it open a little bit, just with your hands, and you'll hear psh, and then water will start to dribble out. Close the valve again, tighten it, and that will get rid of your airlock. So this is Dan from Pool & Spa, and this was a video about how to fix an airlock in your spa.